Now we are going to study about the question answer session of the Tale of Two Birds. We saw how in the big storm came and how the birds were separated. Each one got a different home. One near the Rishi's ashram, one near the robber's cave. And what did they say? You remember? Yes. Now shall we go into the question answer session? Yes. I'll give you time to think and answer. Now let's take the first question. How did the two birds get separated? Yes. You have to write the answer by yourself, and when I tell you the answer, you check whether you have written it correctly. Okay? Right. How did the two birds get separated? Did you write? Shall I tell you the answer? Yes. A big storm came and the birds got separated. Okay. What happened? Big storm. S-T-O-R-M. Check the spelling. Okay. And the birds got, not get, got separated. Full stop. Did you write? Yes, write it. Write the question, then write the answer. Is that clear to you? Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Where did each of them find a home? Write the answer. Where did each of them find a house? Right. Yes. One bird found a home near the robber's cave and another found a home near the Rishi's ashram. Can you write? Yes. One bird found home near the robber's cave, and another found a home near the Rishi's ashram. Okay? Yes? Can you write? Now let's go to the next question. What did the first bird say to the stranger? What did the first bird say? Do you remember? Turn the page and see. You have to write the answer. Write it in past tense. Yes, think over. How will you write it? Yes. The first bird said to the stranger, what? To take away the horse and his jewels, okay, fast, or he would slip away. You remember? Yes. Take away the horse and his jewels fast, or he will slip away. Clear? Did you write? Shall I go to the next question? Yes. What did the second bird say to him? Yes. Remember? See your text. Go behind. Go turn the pages of the Pathshala papers. the printed paper with your hand. See, find out the answer. The second bird, yes, the second bird said to him to go inside, take rest, drink cold water from the pot and be comfortable. Yes, you remember. The second bird told the king to go inside, take rest, drink cold water from the pot and relax. The holy man would come soon. Remember? Yes. Can you write? Yes, right. How did the Rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? Remember? How did the Rishi explain? We saw the last paragraph. Shall I show you? Yes. Does this need to be? Yes. The holy man smiled and said, "One is known by the company one keeps. The bird has always heard the talk of the robbers. He imitated them and talks about robbing people. This one repeated what he heard and he welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside till that, okay? He welcomes people to the ashram." You have to write it in past tense. Please make sure that you write the entire thing in past tense. Okay? Right? Can you go just after 10 minutes? Okay? Yes. So, how do you write? How did the Rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behave? The holy man smiled and replied, "One is known by the company one keeps." That bird always repeated what the talk of the robbers, and he imitated the talks of the robbing people. This bird repeated what he heard in the ashram. So, that's all. So, one is known by the company, one keeps. Clear, children? The answer. Shall we go to the last answer? Let's see. Yes. Which one of the following sums up the story as best? A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. One is known by the company one keeps. A friend in need is a friend indeed. All the three are proverbs. All the three are proverbs. Now, the question is, which sums up the story? We don't want any proverb. Which proverb suits the story? Tell me. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. One is known by the company one keeps. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Think over and find out the right answer. In this, only one suits, though all the three are proverbs. Think and answer. Yes, the answer is one is known by the company one keeps. Can you write like this? Write this question. Write all the three options. Now below you write answer. Okay. One is known. Two. One is known by the company one keeps. Okay, children. By this, the first story in the supplementary reader, The Pact with the Sun. That is the story of The Tale of Two Birds is over. We have even completed the question answer session. Please read all the things and keep yourself updated. The first periodical test is very much going to be there soon. So be prepared to face it. Okay children, thank you. Bye children.